So today we are going to show you Discord series part 3. So in this video we learn about quick switcher tab. So let's get started. And if you need Night Manager giveaway, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe, like and share. So let's go to the quick switcher tab. With quick switcher tab, you can quick switch your servers and channels, and you can type here example. We are going to Night Manager server. You see, we are in the Night Manager server. Like same with the same process, also you can switch channels. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with others. This video target is total 25 views and 5 likes. If you complete this session, I'm going to upload part 4 soon. So peace out.